Well, this is my Giselle mattress, which has just arrived. I must admit, delivery was pretty slack. The guy carried it from the truck inside for me, and it took a long while to get here. I ordered it about this time yesterday, and according to this, it says, what's it say about delivery? It says here, by November the 7th to Friday the 8th, so bit of overkill there. Now I'll unbox it. That's it in the box. Bed in the box. Bed in the box. I guess there's instructions here. Got an opener. That's the bottom. I guess I'll try and cut this off. You hear the springs popping. Whoa. Bit of a mess here, Mike. Looks like it's nearly popped up. You can hold on. Instructions. That's the bottom. This will be the pillow top. Well, the old mattress ain't too stiff around the sides, so it's going to be interesting to see how it goes when you sit on the edge of the bed and how it is after a few weeks sleeping on it. But for the money, pretty good. Just love the care for instructions.